how to find the Buffalo Wild Wings wings category on the page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to browse through the wings category on the Buffalo Wings website? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how to do it. Let's get started. You need to head over to your browser and head over to the official website of Buffalo Wild Wings. Then at the top, you will see the menu option. Just tap on it and then you need to scroll down and you can see wings on the second. So you need to tap on it and you can see there are 7 items. So you can just scroll through it and there you can see various options of wings. There are value bundles, separate options, crispy chicken dippers, appetizers, sides, dips, and more. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.